Hello everyone, how y'all doing? Today we're making a southern chest pie, y'all. Okay, first of all, we are adding our 1 stick of butter. Okay. And our sugar. I'm gonna let Chester, I got my granddaughter Chester, say hello to everybody.
Hello everyone.
Okay, she's gonna, you can go ahead and start mixing that together. Okay, while she's doing that, I'm gonna be cracking our eggs. Okay, you can get the mixer and start mixing it. This is a recipe we had never used before. So I'm letting y'all know this is a new recipe for us.
Is there a certain number you want me to put it
On low. What we are doing now is smoothing together the butter and the sugar. Okay. Now I'm going to add my eggs. Okay, you can go ahead and mix it. Make sure to mix it until it becomes smooth. Now we're adding our cornmeal. And our flour. And we're also adding our milk. Okay, Chelsea, add the lemon juice. Okay, with this you can use lemon juice or vinegar. So I decided to use the lemon juice because y'all know I love lemons. We're gonna mix this up a little bit. Now I'm adding the vanilla. And the thing about this, I'm using salted butter. If you're using unsalted butter, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay. After my granddaughter mixes this up, we're done. And this pie is just that simple to make. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna here's our pie crust. Okay. Let me give you the spatula. Okay. Now we're pouring our filling into our crust. Now we're going to put this in a 350 degree oven for 45 minutes and we're going to be right back. Okay, y'all, we just got our pie out of the oven and I want to let y'all know that we did leave it in there for additional 10 minutes because the middle was still a little jiggly, and so we left it in there another 10 minutes. So we left it in there for a total of 55 minutes. Okay, and we're going to be back as soon as our pie cools off. Okay, y'all, we are back. Our pie has finally cooled off, and now me and my granddaughter is going to give this pie a try. This is our first time ever making a chest pie, y'all. Can y'all believe that? I have made buttermilk pies, I have made lemon pies, I have made egg custard pies, but I have never made a chest pie, y'all. This is our first time trying out this type of pie. Okay, y'all. As y'all see, it did turn out real good. It looks good. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all try this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, my granddaughter is here to try this pie out, y'all. So here she is. Okay, y'all, I have my granddaughter, Chelsea, gonna tell everybody hello.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, she gonna taste this delicious chess pie, y'all. This classic chess pie. Okay, Chelsea, let us know. Taste it and let us know how it turned out.
It's really good.
Okay.
It's creamy on the inside and there's have a nice crust on the top. It's really good.
Okay. All right. Okay, we got a taste tester here that done told us how it turned out. So I hope y'all give this pie a try. And okay, y'all, we're gonna okay, she said give us a thumbs up. Okay, y'all, we're about to close. And what do we say, Miss Chessa?
Hope you guys have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now.
Love y'all.
You're always welcome to MsBrendaDee's place. You're always welcome to MsBrendaDee's place.